particular customer. So all of our mortgage broker friends, lenders, banks that are lending, that are the originators of that particular mortgage, our understanding here is you are part of that carve out. Think about it, especially since you have to manage the risk of an EPO. This now helps balance it and gives you the tools and the resources to really prevent an EPO, protect yourself from an EPO, and thus that should be allowable, permissible purpose. And I'm not surprised that's what's now in place, and that should continue forward, after the 6 month has come into play. So if you're there, if you're a loan officer, you're originating the loans, you're looking to protect yourself from an EPO, you are fine. You should be part of that carve out. It's the way we read it as well too, as far as the lender or the originator that has originated the loan with the borrower. You're allowed to protect yourself and you're allotted these resources to do so. The others, of course, if you're a bank or a credit union, you have a relationship with them. If you're the servicer as well too. And then likewise, if you get an opt-in, if you get an opt-in from anybody really, so that could be someone that has closed a loan or funded a loan, or if something that is uh, one of your customers that maybe you're in pre-approval process or whatnot there, if you got a documented opt-in, you're allowed to now protect that relationship and use the resources allotted to you. Okay, so that's what our read is so far on what the law has said. Again, we support this entirely and support the initiatives to really put fences around this, but still give the opportunity to those that quite frankly have warranted permission and use of that. All of the lenders and loan originators and the mortgage brokers and bankers that have, to balance out negative impacts of this, you should be allotted this. Now, where does this leave all of our Stikkum customers? So since the very beginning, Stikkum has always been on the retention side. We have not varied from this. All of our customers that we bring on board and customers that we consult with and support and everything full wholeheartedly, we've always mentioned to them in our premise as far as the use of the Stikkum platform for the credit pull type of monitoring and alerts has always been on monitoring your current and past customers. So those of you that are in that population there, even with the credit bureaus, the kind of data transmit we get is coined or terminology used is the retention triggers what Stikkum uses. So we are okay. We should be in that one carve out already, fitted right there that you have the loan originator or the lender, the relationship that's in place. So if you're there, you're with Stikkum, our resource and support for you shall continue well beyond that. And we found it in our perspective pleasant to see that carve out was there. We're not surprised that it's not there, but it indeed is there now. So our services to you as our Stikkum customers shall not actually vary one bit whatsoever.